I have a lot of files in different directories that I need to manage. Could you suggest a way to do this in Python?
The OS library in Python is perfect for this. It allows you to interact with the operating system and perform various tasks like creating, removing, and changing directories, as well as fetching their contents.
Great. How do I use it to create a new directory?
You can use os.mdir. For example, to create a directory named new_folder, you would use
What if I need to create directories several levels deep?
In that case, use os.makers. It can create intermediate directories. Like so.
How do I change the current working directory?
Use os.gdir. For example, to change to new_folder.
How can I list all files and directories in a specific directory?
os.lister is what you need. It will give you everything in the current directory or a directory you specify. Like this.
If I want to delete a file, what should I do?
Use os.remove. Be cautious with this, as it will permanently delete the file. For example,
and what about removing an empty directory?
For that, os.remdir is your friend. Just like this.
Is there a way to get the full path of a file?
Yes, you can use os.path.abspath. For example,
can I check if a file or directory exists before performing an operation?
definitely. Use os.path.exists. It returns true if the file or directory exists. Like so.
What about splitting and joining paths?
Use os.path.split to split and os.path.join to join paths. They handle different operating systems' path conventions. Here's an example.
This is really helpful. Is there anything else I should know?
Just remember that OS provides a lot of power and flexibility. It's always a good idea to refer to the Python documentation for more detailed information and to understand the behavior of these functions across different operating systems.
Thank you so much. This gives me a solid starting point for managing files and directories in Python.
My pleasure.